Hello, I'm Amenny from Oneworld Real Estate Group. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how can you make a 4-figure in a month just become a referrer. You do not need a special skill, you just need a handphone. That's all. Now let me show you how we can help you to make more income. If you want to make extra income and with the easy way, please follow through the whole video. We will tell you the step by step how can you onboard in the system. Here are the 3 simple steps. Step 1, we will tell you how to register via the link given to you. Now you are in the page and you'll be able to see some photos, the project information, size of the property details like the floor plan, layout plan, and so on. When you come to this part, there's a light green button. Click here to sign up. Then you pick I want to earn the commissions now. How this works? There are 3 steps. You need to put in your contact, your email, and your handphone. Then you can start to earn your commission today. Come, just key in your name, your email address, and your phone number, and you'll be able to sign up by click submit now. Yes, I want to submit. You successfully sign up. Go to step 2. When you receive your email, verify and do a confirmation via the email by just click here. Put in your full name, email address, contact number, and set your password. In confirm password again, you agreed with the term and condition, and now do another submission. There's a notification, yes, submit it, came out. Means you successfully subscribe. After you click the link, it will able to lead you to the page. You are a few steps away. Go to your email, get verification. After you log in using your new create password, you may go to pick the project. Go to my project. There are many projects for you to choose to send to your client. Pick one property you want to share. Assuming you choose the hot selling property, you can see the share button. Just click the share button, then you'll be able to see there are many social media channels that you can pick to share. You may also see the unique link that will be able for you to copy and save your unique link, and you may able to add in to your WhatsApp. I will show you the example I do in WhatsApp. Open the WhatsApp. Simply choose a contact that you may want to send. After that, you may see the link appear in the surface. Before that, you need to prepare all the image, template, and message you want to attach to the WhatsApp group. Now, pick one design template that we prepare for you, and you'll be able to find it inside your phone. Choose the template and paste the message we prepare for you, and your message is ready to send out. Congratulations, you successfully sent out your first message to your prospect. Now it's time for you to create your own system, create your broadcast list. You just need to repeat this action by sending to your broadcast database that you save in your phone. Next, you will just update and keep forward the good project to your friends. And you can also use our YouTube link that we already create for you by forward the message using the same template by sending to your Facebook, Instagram, and all the other channels. Please do me a favor. If you like my video channel, please subscribe to my YouTube by scanning or just click subscribe. We will constantly update and share all the videos that we produce. Thank you so much. See you next time.